Now in this lecture we discuss about psychometrics. Now the first question is, what is psychometrics? Psychometrics is basically the science of studying the thermodynamic properties of moist air. So moist air is basically the mixture of air and water vapor is known as moist air. So this is study of psychometry. So psychometry, we can also say that psychometry is also the science of dealing with physical law of air water vapor mixture. So we use psychometry for improving air quality, like to maintain the air temperature and all these things. So psychometry is science of dealing physical laws of air water vapor air. So the what is the definition of air? So as you know that in our environment we contain air. So air is basically, air contain nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, water vapor and other gases. These are also, all these mixed together and create air. Say, so air also contain some contaminants such as dust, pollen and smoke. So this is the air we breathe and use for ventilation. So the atmospheric air contain all these things and we say this as an air. So in atmospheric we only use water. The amount of psychometry is only the study of water vapor and that contain in air. So we have dry air. If all these elements that we discuss above are not in air, then this is known as dry air. So if we remove all nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, water vapor and all other contaminants, then this air is dry air. So moist air is basically mixture of dry air and water vapor. So these are definition of psychometric and air. So now we discuss about psychometric chart. So the psychometric chart is basically this is a graphical relationship of the states or conditions of the air at any particular time. So on psychometric chart, different properties of air are displayed. So here you see dew point temperature is displayed on psychometric chart. Relative humidity is displayed on a psychometric chart in graphical form. So the graphical form of humidity ratio is displayed on psychometric chart. Similarly, the graphical form of dry bulb temperature is shown on psychometric chart. The graphical form of wet bulb temperature is shown on psychometric chart. Similarly, specific volume and enthalpy, all these properties graphic are graphically relative relationship with in relationship with each other. Like if you have the value of dew point temperature and humidity ratio, or if you have any two properties like dry bulb temperature and wet bulb temperature, then you can get values of all these properties.